الله الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. So we are starting our first session of this week. We are on the level 2. We did Bab Ajwaf, Bab Mithal, and then we are on Bab Muda'af. Uh, Ibrahim Farhan, would you please explain Bab Ajwaf?
I'm a little outside. I'm traveling.
Okay,
Not
okay,
with me.
okay. Ubaid.
Yes,
Yes, can you please explain Bab Ajwaf?
Bab Ajwaf is Ajwaf means central part. First word was Khafa ya Khafu. Alif remains Alif. Sara Yasiru. Alif changes to Ya. And then Kala Yakulu. Alif changes to Wa.
What is the meaning of Ajwaf?
Central part.
Central part. So, what is central here?
Alif.
Alif is the central letter. Okay. What about Bab Mithal?
Ba misal. Every word starts with Wow.
With similar letter, and similar letter is
Wow.
wow. Yeah. What is meaning of Mithal?
It means similar, like something.
Similar. And what is similar here?
Wow.
Wow. So, Bab Mithal, all the words start with similar letter, and that is wow. Okay. Can you please tell me how many cases? How many cases in Bab Mithal?
Three.
Yes. Go ahead.
One is Wahaba Yahabu, he gave. Next is Wajada Yajidu, he found. Warisa Yarisu, he inherited.
Why there are three cases? How many three? Why you how you differentiate them between three cases? All they are three cases. Why? Is there any difference between
Because
them?
one is Zabar Zabar, one is Zabar Zer, one is Zer Zer.
Which is zabar zabar?
Wahaba is Zabar Zabar.
Yahabu. So you have to say Wahaba Yahabu Zabar Zabar Wahaba he gave. This is the pattern we have to say so that we should not ask again and again. Again, say
Wahaba Yahabu is Zabar Zabar.
yes.
Wajada Yajidu is Zabar Zer. Warisa Yarisu is Zer Zer.
Zir. Which letter is changed? Is zabar zabar or zabar zir? First or second?
Second,
Second letter. Okay. And what is the next chapter? Bab.
Bab Mudaf.
Bab Muda'af. This is Muda'af. Muda'af means the thing which is doubled. The thing
Doubled.
which is doubled. Okay. So how many cases? Okay. First case is
Uh, first
Massa.
case, first case is Massa Yamasu.
Massa Yamassu. Zabar Zabar. The first letter. Okay. This is Massa Yamassu. This Zabar remains. So Massa means
He touched.
hicha. Muda'af mean
Doubled.
double. What is double here?
Is second letter is
Second
doubled.
letter is double. It has shadda and shadda is double. So that's why this chapter name is Bab Muda'af. Okay, Massa means
Massa he touched.
and Massu.
They touched.
Any other Massu here in this table?
It is fail Amr.
Vele Amr, very good. Massu. What is the meaning here?
You all touch.
You all touch here. This is also Massu and this is also Massu. So according to the context, whenever it comes in the ayah, according to the context, we have to differentiate them. That this is they touch and this is Massu. One Massu is about the Amr. Thank you very much, Ubaid. Very good. So now we are going toward the second case of Bab Muda'af. First was Massa Yamassu. Zabar Zabar. Massa means he touched. If we see the first letter, first with the relate with the name Muda'af, the last letter it have the shadda and that is double. So it has three cases. First case case is massa yamassu. The first letter, if you see here, it has zabar, and when it goes to mudare, the meme has retained the zabar, zabar or fatha. So fatha fatha, zabar zabar. Second case is dalla yadillu, dalla yadillu. If you see here, first this is double because the last letter has shadda and that is double. Why it is case 2 or type 2? If you see dod, there is a zabar fatha. In mudare, the same dod have kasra, so zabar changes to kasra. So first is massa yamassu, zabar zabar, dalla yadillu, zabar zir, fatha fatha, and now we have fatha kasra. So dalla, he went astray. So I would ask Brother Azhar, would you please complete the TPI for this?
La, he went astray. Dalla, dallu, dalalta, dalaltum, dalaltu, dalalna. Yadillu, yadilluna. Tadillu, tadilluna. Adillu, nadillu. Adil,
No,
dilla.
see here. This is not. There are two. One thing, it can be idlil,
Idlil,
la.
la tadlil.
Another case, it can be dilla, but normally we
Dilla,
can idlil.
dillu, la tadillu. Dal, dalun, dalin, dalal, dalalah.
Yeah. One word we use in every prayer. What is that word?
But dalin,
Wala dolin. Yes. Okay. Dalla means,
he went astray.
what is the plural for dalla?
Dallu,
Meaning,
they went astray.
and if it is you all went astray,
Uh, tadal, tadalluna,
you all went astray,
went, dalaltum,
and we all went astray.
dalalna.
What is the meaning of adillu?
I went astray.
I go into astray, or I will go.
I go astray. Yeah.
Okay, and what is amar dilla
Dilla, astray,
or idlil? Go
astray.
to astray. Go to astray. And plural is
Dillu,
dillu. Here, one thing here, it was massa yamassu, and if we just hear the second amar, massa or massu. So we have to look at the mudare. If we remove ya, so it is massa, massu. If we see here, this is yadillu. If we remove ya from mudare, yadillu, so dillu. So it is very important that this is kasra. Here in mudare it is kasra. That's why this is kasra. And here it was fatha, and that's why here massa, massu. This is amr. Dilla, yadillu, dillu. Okay, can you please take this ayah, Azarbi?
wag, waghfir li bi innahu kana min ad-dallin.
Okay.
Wa and ighfir, forgive, li, me, be,
Li means
li mean be.
li. It's haruf jar.
So
Harf
that,
jar. Li.
so that,
Lahu, lahum, laka, lakum, li, lana. For.
for.
Next.
Abhi,
Yes.
abhi mean
My father.
my father. Innahu, indeed he.
Yes.
Kana, he was. Min, from Dolin, those who went astray.
Where we can locate this? Can you please locate this dolin in the table?
Isme file, last one in plural.
Last word plural. Dolin. Okay. Innahu. Can you please do the complete table for innahu? You said indeed he. Innahu.
Innahu, innahum, innaka, innakum, inni, innana.
Inna nar. Inna. Okay, combine the translation.
And forgive
To my father.
to my father, indeed
He was
he, he was
from
those who went astray.
those who went astray. Can you please do again combined translation?
And forgive for my father, indeed he was those who
He was
went
from
astray.
those who went astray.
From went astray.
Okay, thank you, Azarbai. Let us fit another word. Azza. So, can I ask Jafar Iqbal?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Jafar.
Okay,
What is the
Azza,
chapter level, ya Jafar?
Bab
And what is level?
2.
Level 2, Bab Muda'af. Muda'af mean?
Uh,
Double. Double. Okay. Can you please take this word?
Okay, Azza, he was strong. Azu,
And what is the other meaning? There are two meaning.
honorable.
He was honorable. This is the most used for this. Azza, he was honorable. Okay.
Okay, Dalla, he was.
I know you have to fit this Azza exactly on Dalla.
Azza, he was strong. Azu, they were strong.
Just Arabic, ya Jafar.
Okay. Azu, Azazda, Azaztum, Azaztu, Azazna, Yaizu, Yaizuna, Taizu, Taizuna, Aizu, Naizu, is,
I'ziz.
Idziz,
I'ziz.
Iziz,
La.
La Ta'ziz, Izu, La Tatiz,
La ta'izzu.
La Ta'izzu, Aiz,
Az.
Azun, Azin,
And Izza.
Izza.
Izza. Okay, thank you. Brother Riza, can you please do this another word? Dhalla.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, brother Riza.
Sure. Zalla means he humiliated himself.
Yeah.
Zalla, Zallu, Zalalta, Zalaltum, Zalalna,
Zalaltu,
Zalaltu,
Zalal,
Zalalna, Yavellu, Yavelluna, Tavellu, Tavelluna, Avellu, Navellu, Izlil, or Zella.
Zilla.
ذلة لا تذل
La.
ذل لا تذل
Exactly fit here. If it is idlil, la tadlil. And what about dhalla?
لا
Idlil,
ذل لا تذل
la tadlil.
لا تذلل.
If you see here, lam have shadda. Shadda mean double. So lam, we should have two lam.
So ذل لا تذلل.
La, if we say
Tadlil.
la tadlil, then there is single lam.
Yes.
But we should have two lam. La tadlil.
لا تذلل. ذلوا لا تذلوا. ضال لا
Dhal. There should be mad.
ذال ذالون ذالين ذلال or
Azal.
ذلالة.
Yeah. And why we don't have maf'ul here?
Because Is somebody humiliating himself?
Himself. That's why in all the case, Dalla, he went astray. He went by himself.
Yes.
So there is no object for that. No maf'ul for that. Yeah. Can you please take this ayah? This is
Sure.
let's this one
Sure.
previous.
فإن العزة لله جميعا.
Izza. Is it Madi, Mudare, Fa'il? Nahi. What is that? Izza.
إذا is مضارع. Sorry, ماضي.
What is the original word?
Here it should be it's master.
Masdar. And starting word is?
إذا.
Azza.
Azza.
Azza, Ya'izzu, and Izza. Okay,
Izza.
go ahead to translate this.
So, inna, indeed, al-izzata,
The honor.
The honor, lillahi, for Allah, jami'an, together.
All are together, yes. Combine the translation.
So indeed, the honor for Allah gets together.
Is together. Yes. So this is about Ba Mudaf. Again, Ba Mudaf. The first case is Massa Yamassu. Muda'af mean double. So Massa Yamassu. Zabar Zabar. Fatha Fatha. The first letter Zabar. And then we have Zabar. Massa Yamassu. Fatha Fatha. Second is, today we did Dalla Yadillu. Dalla, he went astray. Zabar Zair. Fatha Kasra. So because they are doing it by themselves, he went astray. So there is no maf'ul for that. So we have to go for the practice session. Every week I give someone to practice level 1. So please, whoever is assigned, he should come at exactly at 10 o'clock. We cannot wait for them. So please, whoever was assigned, he should be there at 10 o'clock. Thank you. Okay, Dr. Abdul Khalik.
Thank you. Jazakallah khairan.